Hey Chance, today we are going to learn how to encode in JSON. So now first we need to create an array as array or any object. You can create anything. 1, 2, 3. Now this is array. We can check array. Go here. This is the array. Size is 3, string 1, 2, 3. And now we need to make as a string in JSON string. So now print JSON encode array. Now we can see this is JSON. And we can add this object now obj new std plus obj 1 is equal 1. Now you can see this object. This is the object of the event. So this is the object. This is object, public one, std class. Now if we want add a JSON, so we can add this. Yes. So object is working like this, and the array is working like this. PHP has good things. It's give warning and error and tell us which line is error. So line number is also tell. Now the array is like a list and object is object. If you think this video is useful to you, like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for watching.